Have you ever felt like there is not enough time to trade efficiently? I know that feeling very well. Consistency in your routine leads to sharper execution and more reliable results over time. Now let me show you how to build a routine that supports your trading, instead of stressing you. Here are 5 powerful time management benefits. First benefit: more confident execution. You already know your plan before the market moves, so hesitation fades. Set your buy and sell orders accordingly and execute with confidence. Second benefit: smarter decisions. A structured schedule gives your mind space to analyze the market clearly instead of reacting emotionally. Third benefit: emotional stability. Managing your time helps prevent rushed decisions and lowers stress during volatility. Which of these first 3 benefits do you already notice in your own routine? Let us continue. Here are 2 more benefits. Fourth benefit: better life balance. You avoid burnout by dividing your day between research, trading, and enough personal time. Fifth benefit: stronger long-term performance. Consistency in your routine leads to sharper execution and more reliable results over time. As you can see, every minute counts in this market, and that is why time management matters. Start small, stay consistent, and results will follow. Start optimizing your habits today. Now tell me, do you think time management plays a role in your trading success? Comment your answer below. I love reading your thoughts. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 new tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.